This is the right side of this fabric. This is the wrong side. To sew a French seam, the first step is to let the wrong side face the wrong side, and you sew. You trim off a bit of the seam so it doesn't fray at the other side and show. Then you turn it this way. Give it a good press. Please watch what I'm doing closely. Give it a good press. Take it back to your sewing machine. Because the seam is tiny now, this is the French seam. Give it a final press. This is it. You see how it's looking? No seam is fraying. No ragged edges is showing. This is the French seam. You turn it back. You see it. Very neat. This is how to knit in your seam when you don't have a serger or the weaving machine, the other name for it.